Flexclip review. Details, pricing and features. What is Flexclip? Flexclip is an online video editing tool. It is geared towards users who are only just beginning to dabble in video editing. Flexclip can help anyone make dynamic videos, whether they are for marketing purposes, educational presentations or tutorials, social media stories and reels, and many more. There is no limit to what you can create with Flexclip. Flexclip key features. 1. Everything is done online. With Flexclip, there is no need to download and install anything to your computer. Everything you need to create and customize your videos with can be accessed within your online workspace. 2. Easy to use. You can start from scratch by importing media files from your computer or make use of Flexclip's extensive library of templates, which means literally anyone can use this tool from beginners to professional video creators. The workspace is a breeze to move around in, as it is very uncomplicated, and allows you to take advantage of the drag and drop capabilities. 3. Trim, merge, convert. Flexclip has all the basic and advanced tools you need to create, enhance and edit your videos. Whether you're creating a large-scale presentation or just need to quickly whip up a short marketing feature, Flexclip is the perfect application to use. Furthermore, you can produce customized videos that can be viewed on just about any device screen, from desktops and laptops to smartphones and tablets. 4. Limitless possibilities. Create videos from the very basic to the most dynamic by utilizing Flexclip's variety of tools and its substantial library of royalty-free media files, templates and design elements. Add music to your presentations, vlogs or video sales pitches with Flexclip's sizable music catalog. Play around with transitions and special effects with ease. Flexclip allows you to engage your target audience with eye-catching design elements which you can easily add even with limited video editing skills. The good and the needs improvement. Overall, Flexclip is genuinely one of the best online video editing tools out in the World Wide Web today. It lives up to the hype and delivers on its promises. However, there are a few things that can be improved on, starting with the image library. Whilst extensive, it is quite difficult to find niche-centric photos that feature the same model. This is an inconvenience when you're creating a narrative around a particular image. Also, since Flexclip is an online service, its auto-save feature is extremely critical, especially during the creating process, as an accidental refresh could result in having to start from scratch again. Exporting finished videos could also take a bit of time, especially the longer, more intensive files. Flexclip pricing. When it comes to ease of use, Flexclip is right up there with the best of them. This is because of its very straightforward user interface, drag and drop functionality. However, some features and functions can only be utilized once you avail of their paid subscription. The free version will still allow you to take advantage of its video creating functions, but with a few limits. To be able to utilize Flexclip to its fullest capabilities, they offer a selection of monthly and annual price packages, the Basic, the Plus and the Business. You can choose the price package that is most suited to your needs. In summary, Flexclip is the best choice if you're a beginner wanting to learn the ropes of video creating and editing. It is also the best choice for professional and experts because of its premier functionalities. Sign up for free and experience firsthand why Flexclip's popularity within the creative community is growing exponentially. Make that switch today and start creating robust, dynamic videos that would get you the best results. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.